Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on WordPress development, and in this particular video, we'll learn how to, start developing a basic website on top of your WordPress installation. So in previous videos, we have already installed the domain. We have bought the domain, bought the hosting, integrated them, and installed WordPress. So once it is installed, then you need to go to settings and click on general. And in this particular settings, we are going to change the timestamp location. So our time zone is India, so we'll choose something respective to that. You can choose directly by the country name, or you can also choose via the UTC plus 530. So it is for India, so you have to choose your own country and your own time zone. So let's do that here. So we have chosen Kolkata, and now we have saved the same. So once it is saved, then we are ready to start with the development. We'll see if something else is required to be changed here. Yeah, so we have also changed this permalinks to post name. So these settings are important because you have to redirect your user to write, post links. So now we need to go to appearance, click on themes and activate any existing themes. So you can buy a theme from Theme Forest, or you can buy a theme from DV Builders, or you can just choose WordPress free themes. So what we are going to do is going to delete the existing themes, and then we are going to search for a theme that is provided by WordPress. So you'll click add new, and we are planning to use Astra themes. So the same you can search, or you can just find here and install the same. So it takes a few minutes to install a theme, and once the installation completes, we'll activate that theme. Yeah, so installation is still going on, and we'll wait for the installation to complete. Yeah, so it is installed, and we have activated also the same theme. So now you will get the builders that are within this particular theme. So by Astra theme we get Elementor. So that is the builder that we'll use to create blog posts, that we'll use to create a page. So by default, this is the way the website is looking as of now. Fine. So the next thing that we'll do is install more plugins. So we'll go on plugins and delete the ones that is not required, and click on add new after the deletion, and try to install the themes that are required to build beautiful websites. Yeah, perfect. So we'll click add new, search for Elementor. If the builder is already there, then you can install it. So we'll also install Elementor kits and the add-ons. So three things we are planning to install as of now. And then also we'll install something called Envato. So Envato provides a free kit, a free media gallery and all. So we can use the images provided by Envato directly. Yeah. So Envato elements, photos, and Elementor templates. So this also will install. So these plugins are mandatory for the a website that is built on Elementor. So in case you're planning to use a pre-built theme that comes with some other builder, you can always go for that. But in this particular video, we are focusing upon free themes, free plugins, and creating a basic and beautiful website on top of that. Yeah, so the installation has completed for many of them, and we will just select all of them and activate them. So once we are done with that, so we have to do some basic configuration. So we are just clicking next. We are not doing anything special here. Just following the steps provided by the wizards of Elementor and other plugins. Great. So we'll now go on all pages of this website to see what all pages are there, and we'll create a new page because we want to have a home page, right? So we'll click on add new. So you can create the page using the default builder of WordPress, but that is not, very beautiful and very uh, good for the users. Not user experience is good for that particular page. So we'll just name it home, publish it, and then go to that particular page and see how it looks. It's all blank, right? So now we'll edit this entire page with Elementor. So how to do that? You can either directly click on edit with Elementor, or you can go to Elementor and then start from there. So we'll click edit with Elementor, and the Elementor builder will start opening up. So it's a very beautiful builder. It provides a lot of features for free, and those features are like drag and drop option is there. You can add containers, keep adding the titles, images, videos, buttons as per your need. And also if you have some other plugins, you can just add a code, and you can just, those plugins come with a code. So you can just click on those code and generate there and add code here. So it will reflect here in the website itself. So now we have gone and changed the layout of the page to Elementor full width. So now this is the way it looks. We will keep updating our changes. So we don't need that the title, right? So let's see the install template kits. So if you go by manual creation of the, your website, it takes a lot of time. So it's better to search online for the free kits, free themes, and like the way we are searching, and we'll just look for the theme that matches our client's need or our own website need. So let's preview this particular kit and see if it looks beautiful. Yeah, looks good, right? So it comes with a lot of pages, home page is there, about us page is there. So this is something that we can create on top of this. So these themes come with predefined pictures, videos, and text are something default lorem ipsum. So you have to like think what exactly the website's purpose is, and accordingly find a theme matching to your purpose, and keep changing the media, text, and layout. So if you see, a lot of elements are here. So that's the beauty of these themes, these layouts. So you can just click on view kit, and then once you think this kit is good, then you can always insert this kit to your particular page. So we have started the importing of this particular theme. Every theme comes with some requirements of plugins. So if required, we can always click on install requirements to install the required plugins. So before that, we want to see, okay, how it looks with the importing. So it's almost done. Great. So we have imported a theme, and now we can start, changing the components that we want to change. So let's just update and see how the homepage looks now. Great. So our vlog page is updated now. The homepage was very blank. Now it has some components where you can always have videos inserted in them. Yeah. So you can, always change their default text. But as of now, we are done, right? So we can now build other pages. So whatever changes you want, you can do it manually. Click on that element, click on the text, and delete it, change it. The next page we are going to build is called About Us. So it's like if you are building it for yourself or an organization, you will always need About Us page where you describe the basic information regarding this website, who has created this website, what is the purpose, and all. So just create a blank page again, the way we did for homepage. Once it is published, go to the theme finder and like this, change the default layout first Elementor one, and click on this button where Envato icon was there, green icon. View the same layout. About us page is there, so you can just click on that and import the particular template once again. Yeah. So when you buy a theme, the entire demo data is imported all together. So, and also the plugins are there via pro plugins. It's not the free plugins, and the quality of code also remains very good. So that's always recommended to buy paid themes so that you can rely on the theme owner, you can rely on the platform like Invato and all. Now we have imported this about us page, and again the same thing we'll do. We'll just check out the page out and update the particular Elementor portal. Yeah, it looks good, right? So we'll just update and go back to the page and just click on or just refresh once, and we see about us here, right? So we just click here, and now we see the about us page is also here. In case you do not see the about us and home buttons there, it's because you might have not made the auto updation of menu bar. So for that, you can always go to your WordPress setting, go to appearance, click the menu, and from there you can manually add things. Fine. So now let's create one more page, and it will be a simple contact us page. So the building block of a website is like you create a home page, then you create a page where you let the people know that okay, this is this page, this website, and it is meant for this particular purpose. And then you create a contact us page where you mention your details like a form, a contact number, email address, and thereafter you, if you have products and services, then you create product and services page. And if you do not have product services, if you have portfolio, you create a portfolio page. And sometimes people do not create those pages, they just mention their services and products on the homepage itself. But these three pages are the building blocks. So you need to have these three pages: about us, contact, and homepage. So in the similar way, we'll just import a contact us page. So if you see from last 10 minutes, what we are doing is just importing components and updating it. Not a single line of code is written till now. Not a new plugin is installed till now. So basic website creation is very simple like this. So we don't do not have to rely on a lot of functionalities. But in case you need more integration, you need a chatbot, you need a WhatsApp redirection. So in those use cases, you need to have more plugins into picture. And in case it's a blog website, then you need to have uh, SEO related plugins and all. So now the contact us page is in the integrated, right? So now it's a beautiful page where we have just imported some components. So let's go to appearance and then click on customize. From here, you can customize a lot of things from admin panel, like the name of the website that is coming on the top, the icon, five icon, the logo, and many things. You can add custom CSS here. You can upgrade menu bar. You can upgrade the footer. Everything can be changed from there. Also, if you go to settings, click general. From here also you can do a lot of changes like what will be a home page. So you can always choose a static page and choose the page name. So just click on a static page and choose my page and save my changes. Okay. And now I can always go back to the customize page. And here you can see the home page is loaded, right? So now you can click on, I believe, site and identity or the builder to see what changes you can do. So site title and logo is there and primary menu is here, right? So now I can design the menu bar from here. I do see that these features are like paid features. So we'll see what all free things that we can do. So first of all, let's change it to dark color, the blog or the menu bar. So it will match the header or something, any color you can choose, right? So if you choose black, then you need to choose a different color for the text. Yeah, looks fine now. You can also change the name of the title from my blog to the one that you need. And then you can change the color of the menu bar text colors. So we have changed it to white. And that's it. Publish it out. So the thing I was saying that in appearance there is something called menu bar. You can click here. You can create a primary menu here. You can name whatever you want: main menu, primary menu. and save changes, and then just import all the menu links from the left side, most recent ones. So I will choose home, about us, and contact us. That's it. Add to menu, and these are in right order also. I will just click save menu. So this is the way that you create a menu bar. Great. So now you see you have home page and you have these buttons here in the menu bar, which you can always click and go to that pages. And you have a beautiful website here with these many components, right? So what else you can do is like you can do some changes in footer also, right? So whatever default value is given in the footer, you can change that. So we have clicked on footer builder. So these things it comes with Astra, but in case you are using something else, then you will see footer options, footer menu bars and all. So we can add widgets here. You know, those widgets will have links within them. So like these things you can do. Yeah. So in this way, you have added widgets here, and now you can add headings here, images here, like this. A lot of things you can add. So you can create a big footer, beautiful footer, make the background black. So you might have seen a lot of websites with a big footer, right? So these are the things that you can do while the footer changes, and it will start reflecting in your website. So as of now, the widgets that we have added are all empty, right? So that's why nothing is coming. But if you go to the appearance widgets, there you can add those widgets, add the components within it, and those will start reflecting here. So these are the basic steps that you can use to create a website. The focus is like you install a theme. With theme, you install the components, the blocks, and thereafter you do configuration of appearance, menu bar, footer. So yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot. And in the next video, we'll build more better websites. Yeah. Thank you very much.